Hello and welcome to Cybernet's booth at the 2024 A4A NDT Forum here in Nashville, Tennessee. Wanted to show you guys some new features. Since our last video, we have more colors. So color configurations has been a big feature request, and I want to highlight that for you here. I'm going to add some readings to this step wedge and basically paint it with the colors that we have now. And this is right now a mode that is called red, yellow, green. Basically simple color mode where there is a nominal value that we expect, and anything that's 10% less than that would be yellow. Anything that is 20% or more would be red. So on the step wedge you can kind of clearly see that because there are readings that are basically the top part as the thickness I made nominal, and then as we get lower on the step wedge, it ultimately turns red. So you can just go do a few more for you here. Going a little fast and just sliding around this gel. And then we go into the menu. You got the Adjust Colors menu. This is where you can manually change that. Basically the banding, you can almost call it. You can see that adjusting as we're going, this 10%, 20%. You can also change those thresholds to be what you would prefer, what you're used to. So this is really a convenience for the inspector. It makes the inspection easier to see on their end, or you just have a straight go, no go. What is your threshold? If it's green, otherwise it's red. And as usual, there are still the big spectrum of colors, call it the full spectrum, and with the auto adjust you see the values that are range from whatever is there, the top range and the low range and all the colors in between when this auto adjust spectrum, when that's on. So that is new, and also new are these universal attachments. So we have probes that are often different sizes. Everyone uses different probes, different barrel diameters. So we got small, medium, and large of these universal attachments, and using these set screws we're able to fix your probes in there. And then so here's the small one, I was just holding up the medium, and then here is the largest one. And the interface for where you would input this is actually pretty simple. So we got the File menu, go to File, actually we start with a new session, and you will see right here there's a checkbox for universal attachment, and that's where you pick small, medium, large, and then input the diameter and the length of your probe, and that will then automatically detect the offset from the top of the platform to the tip of the probe so that the pointer appears where it is in the real world. And you can enter these in, and if you pick something that's if I picked large but the diameter of the probe is too small, it'll tell you that. It won't let you go, so there's a little bit of error checking involved there too. So just wanted to say thank you for watching. Thank you for your interest in the tracker. Wanted to invite you to connect with us at the website tracker.cybernet.com. Email is tracker@cybernet.com. The website has a lot of frequently asked questions now, has these videos, it has example reports, also some updated brochures, and really just want to invite you to reach out with whatever your application is. It could be just tracking a robot, it could be tracking your device. Most likely we can do it. We love to partner with you and help solve your problems. This whole project really came out of that spirit of solving problems with NASA for their large inspection of large rockets for the space shuttle program. And then we got introduced to these great guys out at Tinker Air Force Base, where they've been using this since 2019. And they really, without them, the tracker, the product wouldn't exist as it is now. They have these UT grids that they said, hey, we don't do a lot of large inspections, but we do a fair amount of these grids, and they're a pain. If you can help with that, they'll make a difference. And there we were. We spent weeks with them, just sat down, tried to iterate, and loved all the critical feedback that became features in the software. So really got to know a lot about inspection and NDI/NDT. And we're looking forward to doing the same for you and your group. So let us know, and we'll look forward to starting the conversation with you soon. Bye-bye.